Hi guys, today we talk about how can you get premium on your Meet Me app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here in app, click on it here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you here in this list, and here can you choose post your profile. So here if you want to get post or your premium app your up here, so here can you choose if you want to add 1 hour or 6 hour here or 24 hour here. So here can you choose hours you want to add, then you just go to pay so this money here or this diamond you have on your app. So just pay it for 1 hour or 6 hour here or 24 hour here, then it's going to add with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.